Welcome students and friends. In this video I'm gonna talk about expressions with constants and variables. So expressions with constants and variables looks as follows. So you have something like 2a plus 3b minus 10. So here's these two are variables, and this here is the constant. So sometimes you will have something like this, for example 2x plus 3y plus 5. So this is a variable, and then the 5 plus 5 is the constant. Okay, so now let's look at two examples and let's plug in values so to see how it works. Plug in values. For example, 3x plus y plus 2. Okay, so the variables are x and y, and the constant is 2. Okay, so let's create a little table. Okay, so variables, let's see x, y, and what we're outputting is gonna be 3x plus y plus 2. Okay, so let's do 0 0 1 1, and let's do -1 -1. Okay, so it will be 3 times 0 plus 0 plus 2. That's gonna be 3 times 0 0 0 plus 0 0 plus 2 is 2. Okay, so 3 times 1 plus 1 plus 2, that's gonna be 3 times 1 is 3 3 plus 1 is 4 4 plus 2 is 6, and then 3 times -1, then -1 plus 2, that's gonna be 3 times -1, that's gonna be -3 -3 -1, that's -4 -4 plus 2, that's 2. Okay, let's double check. So it will be -3 -1 plus 2, that would be -4 plus 2 is 2, which is here. Okay, so let's do one more. Let's do something like x plus y plus 1. Okay, so the variables x and y, and the constant is 1. Okay, so let's leave a table. Okay, so 0 0 1 1, and let's do -2 -2, and we're outputting x plus y plus 1. So this will be 0 plus 0 plus 1, that's equal to 1, then 1 plus 1 plus 1, that's equal to 3, then -2 -2 plus 1, that's equal to -4 plus 1, that's equal to -3. Actually here, negative 4 plus 2, that should be negative 2 actually. Negative 2. Because negative 4 plus 2, that's negative 2. That's why I was having trouble here, because I was trying to see. Okay. Let's do one easy just to see. So x plus y, and then plus 0. Okay, so variables x and y, coefficient, I'm not sorry, coefficient, no, the constant is gonna be 0. Okay, so x, y, and then x plus y plus 0. Then I'm gonna do negative, so you'll see better. Okay, so negative 1, and we're gonna do 2, negative 2, and then 3 and negative 1. Okay, so negative 1 plus 0, that's gonna be equal to negative 2, and then 2, negative 2 plus 0, that's gonna be equal to 0, then 3, negative 1 plus 0, that's gonna be equal to 2. Okay, so thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe.